As we approach International Women's Day on the 8th of March, a day that celebrates social, economic, cultural and political achievements of women, I am calling for a referendum on Article 41(2) of the Constitution. Our Bunreacht na hÉireann is a hugely important document, and I respect wholeheartedly how we need to uphold the laws within. But when the laws and the rhetoric within it are innately biased against women, we need to stand up against it and amend it to recognise the value of care that everyone brings to Irish society. The economic value of unpaid care that is provided in this country by women and men needs to be recognised with action to change. The Citizens' Assembly on Gender Equality met recently to examine Article 41 of the Constitution, and a vote is scheduled for April on its recommendations. There is also a commitment of the programme for government to respond to each recommendation of the Citizens' Assembly on Gender Equality, and the government will be informed by the work of the Assembly to consider whether there should be a referendum on Article 41(2). We need to realise that when our Constitution, which is the basis for which our laws are derived, is innately biased against women, it needs to be changed.